Hey guys, okay, so I just um came from the garage because I literally remembered it's like midnight at this moment. I literally remembered that I forgot to post the update on the bonnet, and I'm completely sorry about that. My brain never works. And I actually recorded the day that I drove my car to my father to help get my bonnet polished again after I sanded it. I recorded the driving so you can just hear how the car sounds and whatever. And then I actually got some information. Yeah, I know it's a ton of things. That how to test my accelerator pedal and the wiring layout so that I can fix it so I can actually rev the car up completely because I've got like, let's say, 20 to 50% acceleration. So obviously I can drive whatever speed I want to, but it just takes a while sometimes to reach that speed because I've got the wiring not perfect. So that I've got at least that. And yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot by sharing the videos. And then if you want to, you can follow me on Twitch or whatever. And that's all. Enjoy the videos. Or I forgot to give you an update, so I literally had the bonnet polished or whatever. My dad did it for me, but I didn't sand it enough because my dad painted it with 7 layers of clear coat, and I was too afraid to sand too much, so I didn't sand a lot of it, just a little bit. And he polished it, but it isn't enough. I need to probably sand it, and I'll show you guys. So as you can see, it's like still a little bit, I don't know what words to use, but you can see it. And it didn't like go all glossy again. You can see a little bit. Anyway, but I polished the rest of the car, and the rest of the car actually looks quite amazing, to be honest. And I started on the other side of the roof to remove the stickers. There's glue over here. It's like horrible because I used to have the stickers on the car quite a few videos ago. Let me show you the other side. So I started removing everything. I got half of the roof done at least. Just the other side still to go. But otherwise the car looks quite amazing. And the worst thing ever happened on the inside of my car. I think it's of the standing, or I don't know why, but literally my roof lining started sagging out of the blue. I don't know how this happens, but apparently it does. It's horrifying because it's mint and now not anymore. I don't know if you can see it. You'll probably see it in the next video. Oh, in the next clip, my bad. And the polishing is amazing because I had like a scratch over here on the door. It was quite a long scratch of somebody walking past my car. I don't know if you can see, there's still a little bit. There it is. Let me try and put the light on. You can't put, oh, there. There you see it. Somebody walked past my car and scratched that up. So I got mostly it polished out so you can't see it from a distance. But if you like really look at it, you can still see it. And obviously there was this stupid lady that walked past my car with her handbag full of bedazzling nonsense and scratched it over there and all the way. Now you can see it probably better. There the line goes all the way across. And then it ends there. Because people never have respect for your car when it's in the parking lot, so oh well. Okay guys, so in the next clip you'll see me driving my car, obviously me just driving to my dad's house and whatever, but I didn't think what I was doing. So when I mounted my phone on to the car, obviously to record it. You know those little brackets that you use to put your phone onto the windscreen? So I use that. So I mounted it on the rear deck lid or boot lid or whatever, the hatchback, whatever you want to call it, the glass. And I didn't think, hello, the boot lid will have its own vibrations of the car and whatever. So you hear a ton of vibrations and a ton of wind noise. So just excuse that. And all the vibrations you're hearing, that's why I want to put that exhaust box in there nonsense. Because when they welded up the exhaust, they welded a bigger piece than they should have in the middle of the system, so the exhaust is like on tension the whole time. So each vibration from the engine goes directly through the whole car. And then you get a tiny bit of vibrations from the rear bootlet slash decklet, I don't know what you call it. So yeah, enjoy the clip or skip through or whatever. And thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.